20 facts that will make you question your existence. 1. The holographic principle. The idea that our universe might be a hologram is based on the work of physicists like Gerard 't Hooft and Leonard Susskind. This theory suggests that the entire universe can be seen as a two-dimensional information structure painted on the cosmological horizon. Essentially, what we perceive as three-dimensional reality could be an illusion, similar to a hologram on a credit card. This mind-bending concept challenges our understanding of reality and suggests that everything we experience might be a projection of a deeper two-dimensional reality. 2. Quantum entanglement and non-locality. Quantum entanglement describes a phenomenon where particles become connected in such a way that the state of one particle instantly influences the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. This spooky action at a distance, as Einstein called it, defies classical notions of locality and causality. It suggests that the universe at a fundamental level might be interconnected in ways that transcend our conventional understanding of space and time. 3. The simulation hypothesis. Proposed by philosopher Nick Bostrom, the simulation hypothesis posits that our reality could be an artificial simulation, similar to a highly advanced video game. Given the rapid advancement of technology, it's conceivable that future civilizations could create simulations indistinguishable from reality. If that's the case, the probability that we are living in the base reality, as opposed to a simulation, could be extraordinarily low. This theory raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness and free will. 4. The multiverse theory. The concept of the multiverse suggests that our universe is just one of many, each potentially having different laws of physics and constants. This theory arises from the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics and inflationary cosmology. The idea that there could be countless versions of reality, with different versions of ourselves, challenges our understanding of identity and existence. It opens up the possibility that anything that can happen does happen, somewhere in the multiverse. 5. Cosmic insignificance. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. While modern humans have existed for a mere 200,000 years, our entire history is but a brief moment in the grand cosmic timeline. This fact puts into perspective the scale of time and space, making our lives seem fleeting and insignificant on a cosmic scale. It also raises existential questions about the purpose and meaning of life in such an immense and ancient universe. 6. The mystery of consciousness. Consciousness remains one of the greatest mysteries of science. Despite significant advances in neuroscience, we still don't fully understand how subjective experiences arise from physical processes in the brain. The hard problem of consciousness, explaining why and how we have qualia, or individual instances of subjective conscious experience, continues to baffle scientists and philosophers alike. This mystery suggests that there might be aspects of reality that are fundamentally beyond human understanding. 7. The Fermi paradox. Given the vast number of stars and potentially habitable planets in the universe, it seems statistically improbable that Earth is the only place where intelligent life has arisen. Yet, we have found no conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. This discrepancy, known as the Fermi paradox, raises unsettling questions about the uniqueness of human life and the possibility of advanced civilizations existing elsewhere in the universe. 8. The nature of time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not a constant linear flow. Instead, it is relative and can vary based on speed and gravity. This means that time can dilate, slow down, or speed up, depending on an observer's frame of reference. This counterintuitive nature of time suggests that our perception of past, present, and future might not correspond to the true nature of reality. Some theories even propose that time might not exist as a fundamental aspect of the universe, but rather as an emergent phenomenon. 9. The observer effect. In quantum mechanics, the observer effect refers to the phenomenon where the act of observation can alter the state of a quantum system. This suggests that reality is not entirely independent of our observation. Instead, the act of measurement plays a crucial role in determining the state of particles. This challenges our classical understanding of an objective, observer-independent reality, and suggests that consciousness might play a more fundamental role in the nature of the universe. 10. Dark matter and dark energy. We only understand a small fraction of the universe's composition. About 85% of the universe's mass is made up of dark matter, an unknown substance that doesn't emit light or energy and cannot be directly observed. Dark energy, which makes up about 70% of the universe, is thought to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. The nature of these dark components remains one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology, highlighting how little we truly know about the universe. 11. Anthropic principle. The anthropic principle states that the universe's physical constants are finely tuned to allow for the existence of life. This observation raises questions about whether these constants are coincidental or if they indicate a deeper reason behind the universe's configuration. It suggests that our existence might not be a mere accident, but could be a necessary condition of the universe, prompting philosophical debates about purpose and design. 12. Reality is subjective. Our perception of reality is heavily influenced by our senses and cognitive processes, which are limited and imperfect. Optical illusions, cognitive biases, and cultural conditioning can all distort our understanding of the world. This subjectivity suggests that there might not be a single, objective reality, but rather multiple interpretations shaped by individual experiences. 13. Infinity and the universe. The concept of infinity appears in various aspects of mathematics and cosmology, whether it's the infinitely large, the universe, or the infinitely small, subatomic particles. The idea of infinity challenges our comprehension and raises questions about the nature of the universe. For instance, if the universe is infinite, it might contain an infinite number of stars, planets, and possibly even versions of ourselves. 14. Quantum superposition. Quantum superposition is the principle that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until measured or observed. This concept is famously illustrated by Schrödinger's cat thought experiment, where a cat can be both alive and dead in a quantum box until someone opens it. Superposition challenges our classical understanding of reality and suggests that all possible outcomes of a situation exist until a measurement collapses them into a single state. 15. The illusion of the self. The idea of a stable, unchanging self might be an illusion. Neuroscientific evidence suggests that our sense of identity is not a fixed entity, but a dynamic construct created by the brain. Memories, emotions, and perceptions constantly shape and reshape our sense of self. This raises questions about the nature of identity and whether there is a core self that persists over time. 16. The origin of the universe. The Big Bang theory posits that the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, and has been expanding ever since. This origin story prompts profound questions about what existed before the Big Bang and what lies beyond the observable universe. The idea of a beginning raises philosophical and theological questions about the nature of existence and the possible existence of a creator or higher power. 17. Life's purpose and meaning. Throughout history, humans have sought to understand the purpose and meaning of life. While science provides explanations for how life evolved, it doesn't necessarily answer why. Philosophical and theological perspectives offer various interpretations, but the lack of a definitive answer can be both unsettling and liberating, leaving us to find our own meaning in an indifferent universe. 18. Technological singularity. The concept of the technological singularity suggests that artificial intelligence could one day surpass human intelligence, leading to exponential technological growth and unforeseeable changes in society. This possibility raises existential questions about the future of humanity, the nature of intelligence, and the ethical implications of creating machines that could potentially surpass human capabilities. 19. The arrow of time and entropy. The second law of thermodynamics states that entropy, or disorder, in a closed system always increases. This principle suggests that the universe is gradually moving towards a state of maximum entropy, where no more useful energy exists to perform work. This concept, known as the heat death of the universe, challenges our understanding of time and the ultimate fate of the cosmos. 20. The question of free will. The debate over free will versus determinism questions whether our actions are truly our own or predetermined by prior events and conditions. If the universe operates according to physical laws, some argue that free will is an illusion, as every action is the result of preceding causes. This raises profound questions about moral responsibility, ethics, and the nature of human agency. These 20 facts not only challenge our perceptions of reality, but also invite us to ponder the deeper mysteries of existence.